Hey everyone, welcome back to Securium Academy. Today, we're diving into episode 2 of our cybersecurity awareness series Passwords 101. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be a pro at keeping those passwords Fort Knox secure. Alright, let's get straight into it. Creating a strong password doesn't have to be a headache. Look at these animated characters, they're here to show us the ropes. Tip number 1. Say no to 12345 password. Seriously, these are like leaving your front door wide open. Instead, think unique and personal. Maybe a combination of your favorite movie, a special date, and a symbol. Get creative. Tip number 2. Length matters. The longer, the better. Aim for at least 12 characters. It's like adding more locks to your digital fortress. You wouldn't just have one lock on your front door, right? Now, let's talk about changing your passwords. Think of it like changing the locks on your house from time to time. It's an extra layer of security. And, of course, never reuse passwords across multiple accounts. One breach shouldn't jeopardize everything. Okay, I know remembering multiple strong passwords can be challenging, but fear not. There are password managers out there to save the day. We'll cover those in a future episode, so stay tuned. So, why is Passwords 101 so crucial? Well, your password is like the key to your online kingdom. The stronger it is, the safer you are from prying eyes and potential cyber attacks. And there you have it, Passwords 101. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more cybersecurity wisdom. In our next episode, we'll be diving into the art of spotting phishing emails. Until then, keep those passwords strong, and I'll catch you in the next one.